Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall NVIDIA drivers for data science, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by saving any ongoing work and closing all applications that may use the NVIDIA drivers. Click on the Windows Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Control Panel into the search bar and press Enter. In the Control Panel, select Programs or Programs and Features. Look for NVIDIA Graphics Driver in the list of installed programs. Click on it to highlight the entry. Next, press the Uninstall button located at the top of the list. Follow the prompts in the Uninstall wizard to remove the driver. Once the uninstallation process completes, restart your computer. After the restart, click on the Windows Start menu again. Type Device Manager into the search bar and press Enter. In Device Manager, expand the section labeled Display Adapters. Right-click on any remaining NVIDIA components and select Click Uninstall and wait for the process to complete. After the uninstallation, restart your computer once more. To ensure all NVIDIA components are removed, you may want to use a third-party program such as DDU, Display Driver Uninstaller. Download DDU from the official website and install it on your computer. Run DDU in safe mode for optimal results. Choose Clean and Restart to remove any leftover files related to NVIDIA. Finally, your system will reboot with all NVIDIA drivers uninstalled, ready for a fresh installation or alternative setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.